How to build an instant AI agency, even if you're starting from scratch. What if I told you that you could launch an AI agency today?
Without being a programmer, building an app, or hiring a team?
The AI gold rush isn't just for developers.
It's for people who can solve business problems using AI tools. Here's how to get started in 3 simple steps.
Pick one service, don't try to do everything. Businesses don't want AI. They want results. Offer one clear solution, such as
AI chatbots for customer support, AI-generated social media content, AI email marketing, AI-powered customer service automation.
Next, master 2 or 3 AI tools. You don't need to know dozens of platforms.
Learn tools like ChatGPT for writing, Canva AI for graphics, and an automation platform like Zapier or Make. Spend a few days creating sample projects. Build a chatbot, write a week's worth of social media posts, create an automated email sequence.
Finally, start finding clients. Reach out to local businesses, coaches, real estate agents, restaurants, or online stores. Don't send a generic message.
Show them something valuable. For example, I noticed your website doesn't have an AI chatbot. I created a quick demo showing how it could answer customer questions 24/7.
How it could answer customer questions 24/7. When people can see the value, selling becomes much easier.
The biggest mistake people make is waiting until everything is perfect. You don't need a fancy website. You don't need a big team.
A few AI tools and your first client. Start small, keep learning, and let each project build your experience and reputation.
If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more AI business tips, and let me know in the comments, what AI service would you start with today?